Hey guys, this is CurlsCurls, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to be putting in some clip-ins, and these are the clip-ins I have. They're from CurlsCurls, so they actually send you a whole bundle, which is like 10 pieces of clip-ins, so that's what it looks like, super thick. So I got the 3C4A in 14 inches, and it's in the natural hair color. And they actually send you like extra clips just in case, which I'll actually be using these for another video idea I have. But this is what it looks like. I actually thought I was gonna have to dye them a bit lighter to match my hair, but I think they will be good. They're like a dark brown color. So let's just get started. So the first thing I did was just wet the hair, and everyone always asks me where I get this spray bottle. I got it from Amazon. It's like a Mr. spray bottle, but I just wet it, then brushed it out, and I used some of my Shea Moisture Cantu. I forgot which one, but you'll see in a second. And I just used that to detangle the curls so that I didn't look like too perfect.
Please do not blame me. Just rock with me, baby. You're never there when
There we go, the Omega 369 Rescue and Repair Curl Defining Smoothie.
I'm devoted, repeat it 4 times so you get it. Can't finish a line, it's pathetic. You're the reason my life poetic. I swear to God, it's a new era.
So this is how the hair is looking after detangling it and with some product. After that, I just did the same exact thing to my own hair, so I didn't leave out a lot at all, but I used the same exact Omega 369 with some water and applied it to the front of my hair that I left out and just combed it out to activate my curls.
I can't see Frodo in photos, so pick up the phone, let me hear instead. You're my drug, need another hit. From up above like thunder is, I know you're free like a dove. Can't give a real nigga.
And that's how my leave out was looking after I was done, and then I just braided all of my 4 flat twists in one and then just kind of like tucked it under one of the flat twists so that it didn't hang down. And then I just started clipping in the clip-ins, so I just clipped them onto my flat twist, and I didn't use all of them. I think I used about like 8. I could have used a lot less. I could have probably like got away with 6, but this is me just applying them. And once I get to the middle, which is like the widest part of my scalp, I use the 4 clipped clip-in, so that's like the longest one. After that, I just brushed down my leave out and the clip-ins just to smooth it into the ponytail.
I was busy getting racks when that king tried to come back. Told a bitch I'm cool without you. Busy getting racks up, stacks up, tracks up. Told her like bitch.
So next came a lot of refining. You're just gonna see me slick down my hair with some more gel, do my baby hairs, check in the mirror to make sure it looks all good. So here's that.
Your chance, yeah. Fuck your chance up. Watch me conquer. Watch me conquer. Ay, bitch, I'm cool without you. I can do without you. I got 99 less problems without you. Without you, I'm like Tupac by the locker, got juice. All that shit you talking hit me like a shock, it's not true. Lot of fool, how you tryna play? A boss businessman, finna run up in them offices like Killer Cam. Shawty want a Camry, me I want a Lamb. I shift gears.
And after that, this is what I was left with. So I did add 2 clips just on 2 parts that were like sticking up, which you will see in a second. But this is the end result. I'm really loving this.
You can still take your ass to the back door. Busy getting racks.
Alright guys, so this is pretty much what I got, just this super cute low bun. I literally love clip-ins because you can style them in so many different ways. You can do like a high bun, you can leave them L, a low ponytail. But yeah, these clip-ins are really good quality. They were shedding a bit when I was first combing them out, but once I detangled it and all with the loose hairs got out, it stopped shedding. I'm actually loving this so much. I'm definitely going to do this as a hairstyle because this is poppin'. Jeez, I love this. Okay, but if you want to see any more hairstyles where I use clip-ins, just let me know, and I will definitely be doing some. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. The link for this hair will be down below, and I think I have like a coupon code where you can get some money off, but just check down below. Thanks so much for watching. As always, it's CurlsCurls Sage signing out. Peace.
The sauce is sauce. Ay.